Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to negotiate with creditors on Experian. Alright, if you've been wondering how to do that, this video is for you. Let's get straight into it. It's going to be a step-by-step guide. Let's not waste any more time. So before negotiations, you want to make sure that you check your credit report. So you got to obtain a copy of your Experian credit report, and that will help you to identify the creditor and the account that you want to negotiate. Next up is to review the account details, including the balance, interest rate, and payment history. Next, you got to decide what you want to achieve through the negotiation, such as a reduced balance, or it could be lower interest rates, or a payment plan. Now to the negotiation steps. So what you're going to do is to reach out to the creditor's customer service department. You can do that via phone, email, or mail. Next, you're going to describe your financial situation and just explain why you're having trouble making payments. And then you're going to propose a specific solution, such as a reduced payment plan or a settlement. And when you're speaking to them, you just want to make sure that you are respectful and professional. You want to maintain a polite and respectful tone throughout the negotiation, and that will increase the chances of success. And also, you want to make sure you record the details of your conversation, including, of course, the date, time, as well as the agreed upon terms. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to negotiate with creditors on Experian. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.